If you have mature under eyes, you have wrinkles, you're over 40, over 50, and you thought that you can't powder underneath your eyes, I'm going to show you an affordable blurring powder that works and the right technique. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here. If you're new here, welcome in. I love bringing you super simple makeup tips using affordable makeup whenever possible. I'm 57 and I have very oily skin. If you do not like to powder underneath your eyes, that's okay. If you do, if you have really oily skin like I do, I need to set those cream and liquid makeup products, and I need to kind of draw the shine down just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on. My very first tip is, if crepey and cakey are your main concern, eliminate foundation directly below your eyes. By taking one product out, that's one less product that can act up and give you issues later. Foundation is on, and I applied foundation everywhere except around my eyes. I'm saving that for color corrector and concealer, and today I'm using the Revolution Skin Silk. I love this foundation so much, and I use the color F4. Before we even get to setting the under eye with powder, we have to apply foundation and concealer, right? You noticed that I left off foundation underneath my eye, just subtracting one product. One of the biggest reasons that we get caking and creasing underneath the eyes, too much product. So I'm going to apply my concealer to the back of my hand and then pick it up with a brush. Now, I didn't apply a lot of concealer, and half of what I put on the back of my hand is still there. If I were applying it straight on, I would have left all of that there and then just tried and tried and tried to blend it out. One of the things that I'm going to do now is just take my pinky and just move some of that, warm it with my finger, and just move some of that into that area directly below my lash line. We're not going to use these expensive brightening powders. L'Oreal just came out with a brand new blurring brightening powder. This is not sponsored. I just love this. Putting some of that blurring brightening powder in the cap, and then I'm going to take a small pointed brush. I'm linking everything that I'm using down in the description below. Take your brush, get that all worked into that brush. Tap off the extra. The younger girls, you will see them go in with a puff and pack that underneath the eyes. We can't do that. Now we're going in just a little. Not a lot. I am going to put some on above my eyes because I do have very oily eyelids. Set my lips so I can apply my lip products. But all we're doing is getting that powder packed in there, tapping off the extra, and just tapping in those areas that we need it. That's one way to do it. Now I have all of my makeup on except for lip gloss or lipstick and mascara. If you have really oily skin like I do, still at 57. I'm going to take a makeup setting spray. This one is pretty new. This is from ColourPop. This is the Pretty Fresh setting spray, has peptides, niacinamide. I love this. I'm going to spray my face. Then I'm going to go in with that same brightening powder, and I'm just going to set in those areas where I really want to set my makeup all day long, especially so that I don't get shiny later. You can do both every time you apply your makeup if you want to, but if you are not super oily like I am, you may want to just go ahead, use the powder sparingly like I did just to set those cream and liquid products. If you have oily skin like I do, I love this for setting this with the brightening powder after setting spray. It just locks it all in and ensures that I don't get shiny later on in the day. We can have bright, blended, creaseless under eyes without breaking the bank. I will link this down in the description below. If this was helpful, I hope you'll like and subscribe. Come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best and watch this video next for more makeup tips for our mature skin. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.